Hey, how's it going? So the crypto market obviously is still bleeding. It is in the red. This is our second day of being in the red, and we want to talk about that. I also want to talk about the fact that there is something going on that you may not be aware of, and it is a reminder to myself and to you to always keep your eye on the bigger picture, and I'll explain that here in just a minute. So a lot to cover, a lot to unpack here in this video. Also going to tell you about how you could be making money and protecting yourself even in volatile times like this. Volatile. That's right. Okay. Like we see, and to be locking in more profit, creating more profit, even in down times like we're going through right now. So cover that as well. So stay till the end. Got a lot to share with you. Here we go. If you're watching this over on X, please give me a follow. If you're watching here on YouTube, please hit that like and that subscribe button. Okay. So what do we have going on? Look, we know the market's down. It's at 3,450,000,000,000, down 4.5%, give or take. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin's not being impacted as much, but Ethereum's down 6%, XRP 10, Solana 5, Dogecoin 10, BNB 6, Cardano 11, Tron 10, Avalanche 10, Shiba Inu 13. Do you see a theme? The theme is a dramatic move down across all sectors. And if you take a look at like the meme sector as an example, and looking right here where my mouse is, $137 billion market cap to 116, over a $20 billion market cap lost in the last 48 hours or so. The Solana ecosystem, very similar theme, 361 billion market cap, what it was 2 days ago, to what it is right now, 340 billion. Again, another $20 billion lost. Now, when I say loss, it went away. It will come back. And that is part of the overriding theme. The market's moved down, yes, but I'm also going to remind you, that we had Bitcoin as an example go from here all the way to here in the, basically in the month of November, right? We went up 43% in 20 days during the month of November. We had XRP as an example from right here all the way to there in 20 days. Similar time frame, 14th to the beginning of December, 273%. XRP went up 400% in the month of November. I mean, and that's the kind of mid to end of November into December. My point is we had everything run up pretty significantly. Ethereum, right? We had Ethereum go up. Ethereum was a little flat overall in the market in 17 days, 26+%. Okay. So Ethereum went up. Ethereum wasn't running as hard as Bitcoin. All the money was really flowing into Bitcoin, meme coins, some of the other altcoins, but Ethereum did pop up and go above that 4,000 mark. And of course, it's given some of that back. Okay. So overall market move down is really the message here. That's the key. That's what I wanted to convey to you. And it is not sector specific, right? We have every single major coin moving down, Bitcoin not being impacted as much as some of the other major, major coins. And that leads me to what I wanted to share with you earlier at the top of the video. I said, hey, there's something going on here as well that you need to be aware of. I need to remind myself of, and that is this, the title: U.S. institutions aggressively bought the Bitcoin crash. Wasn't a crash, to 94,000. And really what I want to focus you on is this. U.S. institutions aggressively bought Bitcoin. When we saw Bitcoin, by the way, Bitcoin moved down to 90,000. It candle wicked, the little wick of the candle, on a chart, right? This right here, it wicked all the way down right here. Look at this. See this wick right here on the, let's see, that's on the 6th of December, 4 days ago. Bitcoin wicked down all the way to 90,000. It happened almost instantly, right? And then it went down. But then what happened was the bulls stepped back in and bought that up. And therein lies the message of what I'm really trying to convey to you, is that this should be viewed as an opportunity, right? Don't look at days like this necessarily as negative days. Yes, I know you look into your account and you're like, man, there's a lot of red in there right now. But always remember the massive gains that we had in the month of November. So let me show you like this H bar as an example. All right. So H bar moved up dramatically, right? So I'm using this for really an illustration. Okay. So if we go back and kind of look right here, got to get the chart where you guys can see it. So from here all the way up to here in 30+ days, see this blue box, H bar went up like almost 700%. Okay. And XRP went up 400% in the month of November. Bitcoin went up, 40% in the month of November. And a day like today or a series of days, yesterday and today included, are to be expected. They are part of the game. Yes, I know, Austin, things move up and move down. Yeah, but do you really, right? Do you not let it impact you? Do you not let it go, I mean, yes, it's not fun looking at your account and it's red. I'm right there with you, right? But always, again, put it in perspective. Put it in perspective of where we came. Okay. So so the last part of what I wanted to share with you is, again, we got Bitcoin moving up dramatically. But what I wanted to share with you here was, as an example, we got H bar. So this is H bar. You see these green and red boxes. These are buy and sell alerts. Okay. So this is a piece of software that I spent 10 grand building of my own money, and that you can get access to if you want for about $1 a day. If you use the checkout code SP1 at checkout, you get a massive discount. It makes the software cost about $1 a day. Okay. And on that $1 a day, it helps you to know when to buy and when to sell any crypto. Okay. So you see, like right here, and you can see there was, like, I'll show you. Look, there was a buy to that sell in 7 days. That's 55% up. So $1,000 bought there would have made you a profit of 551 bucks in just 7 days. Okay. So then there was a sell, and then there was another buy all the way to that sell in 14 days, 200%. That same $1,000 has now made you a $2,022 in profit. Then H bar started going sideways. So that said, again, sell. And then there was a little buy there, but then followed by another sell because consolidation was going on. The entire market was going flat. And then right here, another buy all the way up to that. 29 days, 639%. $1,000 bought at the beginning now has made you a profit of $6,398. Okay. Now that's what it can do. And it costs $1 a day. How'd you like to spend $1 a day? You spend more than $1 on a cup of coffee or on a soda or a bag of chips or stuff that doesn't make you a penny, right? And that's the point. Invest in yourself, invest in your goals. The smart people, the whales, the people that are making a lot of money, they're doing this. They're using technology to know when to buy and know when to sell and lock in that profit and put that profit in their pocket, period. Okay. So why not step into that world where you're working in the rooms where the smart people are, and what I mean by that is the whales, the big money people, they're using tech, they're using technology. Okay. And I tried to keep it as cheap as possible. When I had the software built, I on purpose wanted to be the lowest price trading indicator on the market, period. Because why? I wanted to help you as much as I could. There's trading indicators out there that cost $200 a month, $200. Mine's about $1 a day. Okay. So that's the point. I wanted to make it as simple and as easy for you to use. So some of you guys were asking me, hey, did the software give a sell alert before the market went down? Yeah, there it is. That's a down move right there. And so in that scenario, you can see the software protected you and your profits right there. So from there to there, just with Ethereum in 1 day, that's a 12% move down. Okay. So Shiba Inu is a great example. Look at that right there. There's the sell alert before the market crashed, before Shiba Inu dropped from there to there, before it dropped. You see this little red box down here before it dropped, that red box here where it says 23%. So that would have saved you a 23% move down. It would have saved you a 23% loss. So that's how the software can protect you and make you money in bad markets. Now, everything's moving down, right? Well, guess what's going to happen? When things start to turn, all these buy alerts are going to start coming in, okay, for any and all cryptos. And so the cool thing is that you can run the software on your mobile phone. It runs on iPhone, runs on Android, it runs on any computer, and you can have alerts set where it'll say, buy Shiba Inu, buy XRP, whichever ones you want, doesn't matter. It works on all of them, right? And then boom, it'll give you the perfect time to buy. And that's the key, okay? So the key to making money is knowing when to buy and when to sell any cryptos. All right. With that, the links are in the description below. Use code SP1 at checkout. If you're on X, the link's above me. All right, I'll see you. Take care. Bye.